On this job here today, got a couple little quick things to do. This asphalt driveway right here is in bad shape, so I'm going to tear it out and replace it with gravel. And then back here on this side of the house, or on the garage, I brought a load of dirt, and you can see back here along the side of this building here, there's a real low spot right there, and kind of just need to fill in along here from where this roof has dropped down water. And then out there in that area, you can see there's some stumps left from some bushes or something like that that they pulled out, but needs to get those pulled out and kind of fill a little bit of, sprinkle a little dirt in here and grade that flat so it doesn't hold water, and then seed and straw this area. So try to get this wrapped up here as quick as I can. Well, it got kind of dark last night, but I made it home, brought both pieces of equipment home, and had this load of the asphalt and a couple roots. So I'm gonna take this to the dump site in town, pick up some rock, bring the rock back and dump that, and hopefully be able to just spread that by hand and, you know, tailgate it out of the trailer. I don't have a machine there today, and hopefully I don't have to bring one back for that. I didn't get any video of this area last night because it was so dark, but it turned out pretty good. I mean, I was working under the lights, but got it all pretty level here and tracked in. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I already threw seed down on this, and I'll go ahead and toss out some straw. Well, that's about how far I made it with one straw bale. Got it pretty well covered, but lacking a little bit up here alongside the driveway. So I'll come back with another bale and finish this out. But looks pretty good. Water should flow right off there out to the backyard. Got this all filled in along the driveway. And down here, the driveway looks nice. Got it all compacted in. Nice and level, got some good radiuses coming in and out. So I think besides another 15-20 minutes of shaking out straw, this job's wrapped up. And you can see when I walk on this here, I mean, it hardens up good. Thanks for watching.